On the Spot Air Conditioning and Heating Plano is your trusted HVAC company for all your comfort needs. Our expert team is dedicated to providing top-notch heating and cooling solutions, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. From AC installations and repairs to furnace maintenance, we've got you covered. With our commitment to quality service, prompt response, and competitive pricing, we aim to keep your indoor environment just right on the spot. Contact our HVAC company today for a free estimate. Are you looking for an HVAC company near me? You can stop looking. You found On The Spot Air Conditioning and Heating Plano. Is a 3-ton AC too big for 1,500 square feet? A 2.5-ton air conditioner is ideal because a 1,500 square foot home requires around 30,000 BTUs. What is the rule of thumb for HVAC? According to this rule of thumb, the max heating capacity required for your comfort cooling application is 1.7 times the cooling load. For example, if the necessary cooling capacity is 30 tons, 360,000 TS, the max heating capacity is 612,000 TS, 1.7 by 360,000. What is your service area for the HVAC company Plano, Texas office? Our local HVAC company have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Plano, Allen, Lucas, Wylie, Dallas, Frisco, Murphy, Parker, Garland, Prosper, Rowlett, McKinney, Rockwall, Carrollton, Lewisville, Richardson, The Colony, Highland Park, Fairview, University Park, TX. Where is your Plano, Texas HVAC company located? We are located at 2761 North Hill Briar, Plano, Texas 75075. Our phone number is 972-645-3631. Visit our website, www.onthespothvac.com.